The content creation struggle. Are you feeling overwhelmed? As entrepreneurs, we wear many hats. We are the CEO, the marketer, the salesperson, and often the content creator. It's a lot to juggle. Finding time to create engaging content consistently can feel like an uphill battle. You're busy running your business, managing your family, and trying to have a life outside of work. Something has to give, and often it's content creation. You know that consistent content is key to attracting your ideal audience. You understand the power of valuable content for building trust and driving sales. But the thought of churning out fresh, engaging content day after day feels overwhelming. The good news is you don't have to do it all alone. There's a game changer in town, artificial intelligence. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. It's about working smarter, not harder. With the right AI tools, you can streamline your content creation process and free up valuable time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and living your life. 30 days of content in 60 minutes. AI to the rescue. Imagine this. You could create an entire month's worth of engaging content in just 1 hour. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. With the power of AI, you can make this a reality. AI tools like OpusClip and ChatGPT are revolutionizing the way entrepreneurs approach content creation. These tools are designed to save you time, boost your productivity, and help you stay consistent with your content strategy. Think of the possibilities. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, and editing videos, you can automate these tasks with AI. This frees you up to focus on the strategic aspects of your business, connect with your audience, and pursue your passions outside of work. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. OpusClip, your secret weapon for content repurposing. One of the most powerful ways to maximize your content creation efforts is through repurposing. This means taking your existing content and transforming it into different formats for different platforms. And guess what? AI can help you do this effortlessly. OpusClip is an AI-powered tool that makes repurposing your long-form content a breeze. Have a webinar recording, a podcast episode, or a YouTube video that you want to share on social media? OpusClip can automatically transcribe, edit, and reformat your content into short, engaging clips optimized for each platform. Imagine turning a 1-hour webinar into multiple bite-sized videos for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and more. With OpusClip, you can reach a wider audience, increase your content's lifespan, and drive more traffic to your website, all without lifting a finger. Section 4, ChatGPT, your AI brainstorming partner for endless content ideas. Writer's block is a common struggle for content creators. Staring at a blank page can be daunting, even for the most seasoned writers. But what if you had an AI brainstorming partner to help you generate fresh, engaging content ideas on demand? Enter ChatGPT. This powerful AI language model is like having a conversation with a creative assistant. You can ask ChatGPT to help you come up with blog post topics, video scripts, social media captions, email subject lines, and so much more. Simply provide ChatGPT with some context about your business and your target audience, and watch as it generates a list of creative and relevant content ideas. No more staring at a blank page, no more creative roadblocks, just a constant flow of fresh content inspiration. Section 5, Lights, Camera, Action, AI Teleprompter for engaging video content. Video content is king in today's digital landscape, but creating engaging videos can be intimidating, especially if you're not comfortable being on camera. Fumbling over your words, losing your train of thought, and struggling to maintain eye contact can make your videos appear unprofessional and unpolished. An AI teleprompter app can be a game changer for your video content. These apps allow you to upload your script and have it scroll naturally as you record, ensuring you deliver your message smoothly and confidently. This frees you up to focus on your delivery, maintain eye contact with your audience, and inject your personality into your videos. With the right AI Teleprompter app, you can create professional looking videos that captivate your audience and keep them engaged from start to finish. Section 6, Breaking Language Barriers, Multilingual Content with AI. In today's globalized world, it's more important than ever to reach a wider audience. But creating content in multiple languages can be time consuming and expensive. Hiring translators and managing multiple versions of your content can quickly become overwhelming. AI powered translation tools are making it easier than ever to break down language barriers and connect with a global audience. These tools can accurately translate your content into multiple languages, making it accessible to a wider audience. Imagine expanding your reach to new markets, connecting with customers around the world, and growing your business exponentially. All thanks to the power of AI translation. Section 7. No more excuses. Download your free guide to AI-powered content. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. No more struggling to keep up with the demands of content creation. No more sacrificing your valuable time, and no more excuses. Ready to unlock the power of AI for your content creation? Download our free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, and discover how to leverage AI tools like OpusClip and ChatGPT to create engaging content, reach a wider audience, and grow your business exponentially. Start creating more content in less time and free yourself up to focus on what truly matters, building your dream business and living your best life.